guys and girls, again, ito naman si Egg Master. What's up? What's down on my egg? And what's left? What's right on my pot? Today it's scrambled egg time. Yan. Scrambled egg, fried egg kung tawagin sa ating mga Pilipino. Filipino style fried egg. Scrambled but fried egg we cook it. So just came back from work and it's already time check 10:35 p.m. Dubai time. Ayan po. So buksan na po natin ang egg na to. Gaya na like I said before, I'm gonna cook 100 or 1,000 ways of egg dishes because this egg it's national food for OFW or overseas Filipino workers, yeah, to survive. Survival mode egg. So simple scrambled fried egg. So maybe enough for me is 3 pieces. Yeah. So mega love super shout out to you, Marvin Kula and Jojo. Thank you so much. Miss you guys. And Mel. Yan. Mel, para sa ito. This is for you, Mel. So you will perfect how to cook your egg. Right? Sagit lang po. Wait a minute. Kaping mainit. So before I will cook my egg, I'm gonna cook rice. We'll have rice. Ayan po. Nakaling ko na ang bigas. I will wash this rice in 3 times. In Filipino way, this is how we do it. We wash the rice 3 times. Right. Then some people using their fingers, but I'm using my palm. Use my technique. Just put my palm like this, and when the water is like this already, it's enough for me. Now let's go to the egg dishes. Again, markangpinoy on the Egg Master. Paano ba yun? Oh. 1, 2, 3. 3 eggs. I'm rich today in egg. See? Last time I have only 2 pieces. Now I got 1 tray. So let's keep it out this. Maybe guys and girls, I'm gonna wait first to cook my rice. Then after almost cook the rice, then I will start to cook my scrambled fried egg. Yan po. So mga kamarka, let's continue our journey. Our cooking. Yan. My rice is done. So let's heat up the pan. Katun. Kaibonsyon no jutsu. Yan. Ating fire technique. Then make it hot the pan. Then put your head on my shoulder. put the oil. My pan is heavy. That's why it's dancing. Right? Then the magic salt. Yan po. Lagyan ng salt. Put salt. Very easy. If you want to put pepper, you can put also pepper. Or whatever you want to put. Alright. And then mix, scramble. Alright. So this is my way I'm cooking the egg. I like it medium fried, so a little bit runny. Just depend on you guys and girls. If you want well done or very well done, it's up to you. My pan is dancing because my pan is heavy. So that's it. It's very hard, guys and girls, for you know, for your information. So like that. See, still running. Flip it. Right. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Charan! Kalas. Finished, guys. You're ready to eat. Easy egg cooking. Charan! So let's eat. If you're just new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to click all the notification bell for more for more video like this. So, let's do good things. Life is short. Do good things.